And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, today is the last day that the primary exit profile or PEP examinations will continue in their current form.
The Education Ministry has revealed that the previously announced changes to the exam will be finalized this summer and take effect next academic year.
Amoy Harriet has more.
Grade 6 students at a prominent prep school in the corporate area earlier today. They're celebrating the end of the primary exit profile PEP 2025 exams. Relieved smiles and enthusiastic jumps, a feeling many 6th graders know all too well. It's been about 7 years since the government replaced the Grade 6 Achievement Test GSAT with PEP. Part of the reasoning was to enhance the critical thinking capabilities of students. But according to some stakeholders, the exam is just too critical.
A lot of the questions are higher order critical thinking. So I think most students, not all, because some students have parental support and so on, but some students, especially those who do not have parental support, because I've had experiences where parents do not know what to do as regards to helping the students because the questions are so difficult.
Not to mention the mental pressure many students have reported over the years. Daniel Bartley is currently a student at the Belleair High School in Manchester. He was a part of the second batch of students to sit PEP.
Due to my experience with PEP, I would say it was relatively easy. However, not all students operate the same and not everyone shares the same sentiments towards that type of examination. I think we could make adjustments to really help these students and also raise the pass rate in these examinations.
Many have asked, and come next school year, it will be given.
But we've already started the process of review in the ministry because we want to look at the content. Is it too much content? We have some suggestions to change things in September, but as always, we don't want to unilaterally do it. We want to make sure that what we are looking at actually matches back with the recommendations that are coming in from the key stakeholders. So I expect that during the summer, I will be able to announce changes to PEP.
Education Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon acknowledges the strain the exam places on students.
As a ministry and as a minister, I listen to everybody. I listen to the parents. I listen to the teachers. I listen to the students. And the students have told me when I see them the first form and the second formers and I meet with them, they tell me they feel the stress still from grade 6 and from PEP. Those are things you don't ignore. And I can tell you as a parent who did PEP last year with my child, I felt like I was doing PEP. And I can tell you that I was stressed after PEP.
Dialogue is ongoing between the ministry and the Independent Schools Association as well as the Jamaica Teachers Association to finalize the adjustments. The minister pointed to a major issue which necessitated the change.
We have too many children who are leaving primary school who are not literate. And in my mind, what's the point of having a heavy curriculum and heavy material to go through and you're not literate? At a minimum, every child should leave primary school literate. That is our goal. They have to leave literate. And so having all of this content when you're not literate is not helpful.
Notwithstanding, students still have some work to do.
You as a student, if you are watching this, you really need to sit down and focus on your studies, because while the government and all of those people might make adjustments for you, you still need to put in work, because the Bible says faith without work is dead.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, amid complaints